Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. My name is Promise Bill, CEO Promise Records. I'm here with a tutorial on how to do automation on Cubase. This is for beginners and others are free to learn. It is simple and it's going to be very quick. So there are two ways to do automation on Cubase, to automate on Cubase. What is automation? Is simply volume control, nothing more than that. Forget about all those plenty grammar. It's just volume control. How to control volumes, how sometimes you play songs and you feel the pad will just rise at a particular point and drop, you know. So I'm going to add a VST instrument, then I'll play something on my keyboard, then we'll start to automate it. So first of all, I'll press F11, go to my VST session, VST instrument session, you can add any instrument of your choice, but take note, there are some instruments you really do not have to automate. You have to go for instruments like pad, the soft instrument that can rise and drop. So I'll go with a pad setup. So I have this favorite pad I use. So there are two ways to do automations quickly without wasting time. First of all, I will show you the first way and I will show you the second way. So let's record something first. Alright, now I have a session here, so let's listen. Okay, now if I want to do an automation on this particular point, there are two ways. Number one is, you see this point here, bring it down. So click this point, the automation session will open. So what I will do is I will put on the arrow. If I want to use the first option, I will just put on only the arrow, which is the green. This is the normal volume point. Then I will just click it and add a point, then come there, drag it down. So let's listen. You can see it. If it's too quick, you can still adjust it forward a bit. And this will move according to your grid. So you can off your grid so that you can move it to any point that you want. So if I put on this grid, for example, if I move it like this, you can see it will keep moving to the points. You understand? So I like to put that off. So let's listen. You can see the rising. You can see the rising. Very nice. Okay, that's number one. You can delete the point. You can delete the point by coming here and then delete the points back. Okay, that's number one way. The second way you can do automation, which is where I prefer, is by putting on the arrow and the W. Press your record button. Then you start to adjust the volume. You can see the point. You can see it automatically on its own. You can see. So let's play it now. You can see the volume. Look at this volume. It's moving on its own. So those are the two quick ways to do automation. You can also do it on a wave file. If you are recording a voice work, or you can do automation on any wave file. I know some people will ask, how do you automate a wave file? It's still simple and the same procedure goes. Alright people, the Lord bless you. Thank you so much. Alright, there are two ways I can do this. I can do it while it is recording and I can also do it after. Same procedure. Come here, put on your arrow and your L, then of course let it play. Alright people, the Lord bless you so much. Alright, you can see, just adjust your volume and you have your automation. The same. Alright people, the Lord bless you so much. Alright, so guys, that's it on automation on Cubase. You can apply same method on FL, but of course it's a bit different on FS Studio. Alright, this is it on automation today on our tutorial. If you find this helpful for a beginner, please give us a thumbs up, put a comment on the comment section and click the notification bell so that we can notify you for a new video that is released. And also, if you are a beginner on Cubase, please stay on this channel, keep getting updates every week, twice or 3 times in a week. You will keep getting updates, and also you can drop a request on a particular topic you want us to treat. We'll treat it immediately. We are here to serve you, and we are here to create value for all Cubase users and all producers all over the world. Thank you so much. I will see you again.